Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Irania, isang indigenous people o IP na tinatawag na Igorot galing sa Cordillera Region.
I believe it was a Tuesday when I caught your eye and we caught on to something. I hold on to the night. You looked me in the eye and told me you loved me. Were you just kidding? 'Cause it seems to me this thing is breaking down. We almost never speak. I don't feel welcome anymore. Baby, what happened? Please tell me. 'Cause 1 second it was perfect. Now you're halfway out the door. And I stare at the phone. He still hasn't called. And then you feel so low. You can't feel nothing at all. And you flash back to when he said forever and always. Oh, oh, and it rains in your bedroom. Everything's wrong. It rains when you're here and it rains when you're gone. 'Cause I was there when you said forever and all. The moon is high like your friends were the night that we first met. Went home and tried to stalk you on the internet. Now I've read all of the books beside your bed. The wine is cold like the shoulder that I gave you in the street. Cat and mouse for a month or 2 or 3. Now I wake up in the night and watch you breathe. Kiss me once 'cause you know I had a long night. Kiss me twice 'cause it's gonna be alright.
Alam mo ba ang Igorot?
Hi, alam niyo ba kung nasaan yung science class?
Ano yung science class? Pero wait, may tanong kami. Oh, ikaw ba ang Igorot?
Oo.
Foreigner ka?
Hoy, Igorot! Di ka matalino dahil foreigner ka!
Ikaw ba'y nag-iisa? Walang kaibigan, walang kasama. Ikaw ba'y
Ano ba ang ginawa ko?
pag-iisip mo'y nagugulo sa buhay ng
Hoy, wag mong minamaliit ang mga Igorot!
Di ba nagtitarit ang mga Igorot?
Oo nga! Ikaw kasi Igorot!
Hoy kaisang mahirap lang. Sino sa inyong dalawa ang mas nahihirapan? Masdan mo ang
Kids, quiz ngayon maghanda ng 1 whole sheet of paper. Ay bago yan mag-attendance check muna. Jarius Santos.
Present po!
Jason Santos.
Present!
Ciara. Present. Jayul Soriano.
Present!
Irenia. Present po.
Masdan mo ang mga bata, ang sagot ay yung
Gabi! Mukhang natutulog yung Igorot!
Ha?
Hoy! Tigilan mo na yan! Oo nga! Kawawa naman tayo ng student na
Bagong student, babagsak na pa! Oo nga! Tama na! I-report po kayo sa principal kapag di kayo tumigil.
Pa, ito na, boss!
natin ang buhay.
Handa ka na ba babagsak? Oo nga!
Ito na ang scores nyo. Ciara, 95 out of 100. Jason, 87 out of 100. Ray, 78 out of 100. Jairus, 89 out of 100. Jayul, 93 out of 100. Iranya, 100 out of 100.
Wow! Sorry na ba sa pagbuli sa Sorry na din sa pagbuli.
Sa buhay na
Walang tao ang karapat-dapat sa panghuhusga at pagtatangi dahil tayong lahat ay pantay-pantay. Ang paggalang sa mga katutubo ay parehas rin ng paggalang na maaari nating ibigay kahit sa hindi mga katutubo.
masdan mo ang mga bata,